Good morning, students. In my last 5 videos, we discussed about the explanation of the chapter, and we wrote some question answer also. Now I am going to explain some objective types of question answer. Okay, here I have written some MCQs. You have to write down the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct option. Number 1, the earth rotates blank. The earth rotates blank. 4 options are given: on its own axis, around the sun, around the moon, and none of these. So my dear student, what would be the answer? The earth rotates on its own axis. The earth rotates on its own axis, and that is called rotation. That is called rotation. So the earth rotates on its own axis. Second one, what is the shape of the orbit of the earth? What is the shape of the orbit of the earth? My dear student, I said it is oval. That is correct answer. Or here B is written elliptical. That is also correct answer. Here I have written egg shape. That is also correct answer. So instead of putting 3 different lines, we cannot do like that. That's why the correct answer is all of these. All of this means the orbit of the earth is oval, elliptical, and egg shape. All 3 things we can consider. Okay. In Gujarati we say andakar. Okay. Lambgol. Okay. So the shape of the orbit of the earth is oval, elliptical, and egg shape. Okay, it means all of this. The moon revolves around the blank. The moon revolves around the blank. Where it is? The moon revolves around the earth. Got it? Earth moves around the sun. Earth moves around the sun, and this moon moves around the earth. Got it? Moon revolves around the earth, and the earth revolves around the sun. Got it? My dear student, you know what is lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Okay? Next thing, the earth makes an angle. The earth makes an angle at blank on its axis. Okay? We know little tilted. It is little tilted. So what corner? The earth makes an angle at blank on its axis. What is called 23.5 degree. It is little tilted. Got it? Earth is not straight. It is little tilted. And how it is? 23.5 degree. That's why the earth makes an angle at blank degree on its axis, and that is called 23.5 degree. Here next MCQ is given. What is located at 0 degree? What is located at 0 degree? My dear student, that is latitude. But which latitude? 0 degree latitude, that is called equator. Here I have given 4 options: equator, Arctic circle, North Pole, and Antarctic circle. My dear student, 0 degree latitude, that is called equator. 23.5 degree north, that is called Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree S south, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. But here we are learning about 0 degree latitude, and that is called equator. Next, the earth makes an angle on its orbit at black angle. The earth makes an angle on its orbit. Earlier we said about axis. In earlier 3rd or 4th MCQ we said about axis. Here orbit. Here it is given orbit. So it is 66.5 degree. Okay. The earth makes an angle on its orbit at 66.5 degree. Next one. Blank is the longest day. Here 4 options are given. Number 1, 21st June, 21st March, 22nd December, and 23rd September. My dear student, now you know which is the longest day in northern hemisphere. which is the longest day in northern hemisphere, and that day we are celebrating as a yoga day also. Okay, which one it is? Yeah, correct. That is 21st June. What is 21st June is the longest day in northern hemisphere. Now next one, which is the shortest day in northern hemisphere? Here it is written blank is the shortest day. Shortest day in a northern hemisphere. My dear student, if 21st June is the longest day, so what would be the shortest day? Which day? Correct. That is 22nd December. Here four options are given. Same options are here. Okay. 22nd December. It is the shortest day. That is the answer. Again, option I have given 23rd September, 21st June, and 21st March. Got it? So which is the shortest day? 22nd December. Dear students, we have completed MCQs. Now I am going to discuss about fill in the blanks. Okay. Next question, fill in the blanks. Now first one, the earth completes one rotation. The earth completes one rotation on its axis in blank hours. How many hours? So my dear student, the correct answer is 24 hours. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and that is called, because of that we have day and night. Okay, so the earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours in one day. Okay, second one, the earth takes blank days. The earth takes blank days to complete one revolution around the sun. How much time does the earth take to complete one revolution? My dear student, it takes 1 year. 1 year means 365 days. Okay, don't make mistake. My dear student, if days are written, that is 365 days, and if year is written, then 1 year. When year is written, 1 year, but here I have asked days. So in order to complete one revolution, the earth takes 365 days. Got it? Now next one, blank happens due to the rotation movement of the earth. Thus I say, because of the rotation, what we experience? My dear student, because of the rotation, we have day and night. What is that? Day and night. Okay. Day and night happen due to the rotation movement of the earth. Now next one, the path along which the earth moves around the sun, that imaginary path, what is called? The path along which the earth moves around the sun is called. My dear student, I said it is an imaginary path. Okay, the earth moves around the sun on an imaginary path. What is called? That is called orbit. That is called orbit of the earth. Got it? Next one, blank happen due to the revolutionary movement of the earth. My dear student, because of the rotation we have day night, and because of the revolution we have season. Okay, seasons happen due to the revolution of the movement of the earth. Next one, the sun is seen at even 12 o'clock midnight in blank country. My dear student, in my last video I explained. Okay, in my last video I explained in one of the country, that is called the country of midnight sun. Okay, which country that is? That is called Norway. That is called Norway. So in Norway, the sun is seen even at 12 o'clock midnight, my dear student, 12 o'clock midnight we sleep. Okay, 12 o'clock midnight we are sleeping, but at that time they have sun also. Okay, so the sun is seen at even 12 o'clock midnight in Norway, country of Europe. Here I have written match the pairs correctly. My dear student, again and again you are making mistake when in a question paper we don't give correct answer in a same line. But my dear student, when you write down correct answer for the match the pairs correctly, you have to write down A option, and same line you have to write down the correct answer. Okay, so here I have written correct answer. Same thing you have to write down in a answer sheet. Okay, you are just simply drawing lines. That is not good. It looks ugly. Okay, it creates a bad impression one who corrects the paper. So instead of drawing the lines, better to write the correct answer in a same line. Okay, now rotation. Because of the rotation we have day and night. Got it? Revolution. Because of the revolution we have season. We have seasons. Just I explained in a fill in the blanks also. Okay, now midnight sun. Which country is called? In which country at even midnight we have sun? My dear student, that is Norway. Okay, and my dear student, we have equal days on 21st June. 14 hours are there. 14 hours of a day, my dear student. But same time on 21st March, that is have equal day and night. Okay, both are equal, 12 hours, 12 hours. Okay, so equal day and night, that is on 21st March. Okay, last one, the earth revolves. The earth revolves around what? The earth revolves around the sun. Got it? So we have to write down correct answer in answer sheet. Even in a notebook also write down the correct answer. Don't draw lines, it looks ugly. Now write true or false. My dear student, if you correct this, if you identify that certain statements are false, I would be very happy if you correct the sentence. If your right sentence is there, no need to correct. And if any sentence is false, my dear student, I would be very happy if you correct it. Okay, if you are not correcting, no problem, but you should know the correct answer. Why this statement is true or false, you should know. First one, the earth rotates on its axis. True or false? Yeah, correct. The earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, true. Next one, the moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the sun. My dear student, that is also true. The moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. Okay. Next one, the orbit of the earth is circular. No, my dear student, that is wrong. This statement is wrong. Why? Because the orbit of the earth is egg-shaped, elliptical. Okay, it is not circular. So that is false. And if you want to write down correct answer, what will you write? The orbit of the earth is elliptical, oval, or maybe correct. Okay. Now the distance between the earth and the sun. The distance between the earth and the sun remains same throughout the year. No, my dear student, that is false statement. Okay, that is false. Why? My dear student, the distance between the earth and sun doesn't remain same. It is elliptical. That's why, because of the egg shape, the distance between the sun and the earth doesn't remain same throughout the year. Okay, and that's why this sentence would be false. The distance between the earth and the sun remains the same through the year. That is false. Okay, thank you.